Rich Tarani here with TMC. Thanks for watching. We're at WebRTC Expo 2014 in Atlanta, Georgia. On our program is Anton Venema. He is with Frozen Mountain Software. He's the president. Welcome to the show, Anton.
Thank you.
So tell me about your company.
We are a developer company. We support developers and we support application development, and we write SDKs to make real-time communication possible.
Fantastic. How long has your company been around?
Since 2008.
Great. And talk to me a little bit about WebRTC and how that's integrating into what you're doing.
Sure. So one of our products is IceLink. IceLink is WebRTC compatible, which means that it can connect to WebRTC in a web browser. And in addition, we provide SDKs for pretty much every other platform. So Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, Windows Phone is coming soon. And in a web browser, we provide a Java applet for Internet Explorer or an ActiveX control if you prefer.
Excellent. And are most of the things that you're doing in the communications world?
Pretty much everything, yeah.
So what are some of the changes you're seeing in the market with WebRTC, or is it just, to you, is it just something, a new standard?
It's a new standard, but it's also kind of changing the way that people approach building web applications. Peer-to-peer applications are fundamentally different, and the way you build them is different, the way the user experiences them is different, and it's kind of changing the way that developers take on new ideas. It's changing the way that they approach and develop out and flesh out ideas.
So maybe you can help me with an issue that I've seen online. Some people have mentioned on web forums and on Twitter that WebRTC is just a few lines of code and that's all you need. Why do you need developers? Why do you need APIs? Why do you need anything complicated? You just need WebRTC, right?
Well, ideally, it's as uncomplicated as possible. WebRTC does try to make it quite simple. We believe that IceLink takes it a step above and provides a higher level abstraction to make it even easier. Hopefully, we want to get...
I'm sorry. Even easier to do what?
Even easier to build WebRTC applications.
Such as?
Such as a video chat, or for example, if you want to play Pong with a friend and do it in real time in a web browser, you can do that with WebRTC. Telemedicine. There are unlimited opportunities.
So really, WebRTC is at the base level something that's a peer-to-peer sharing of voice, video, or data, and when you want to add value, that's where your company comes in?
Exactly. So we come in to make if you have an idea that you want to build with WebRTC, we'll help you take that from idea to execution, and we'll provide SDKs to make it as easy as possible.
And how do you charge for that?
We provide developers at an hourly rate, and we also license software for a one-time fee.
Fantastic. Where do you see your company in the next 5 years and or WebRTC, the market?
Hopefully continuing to develop software and continuing to provide SDKs, and hopefully providing real value to developers and helping them build better applications.
So it sounds like you see a real opportunity here and your customers do as well.
I think so, yeah.
Fantastic. Thanks for being at WebRTC Expo. We appreciate it. Have a wonderful event.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.